Hi, today I will show you how to easy and cheap way restore your JBL headphones. How to replace the old damaged AirPod cushions on these JBL Live 500 BT headphones. Save a lot money because you don't need buy new headphones. All you need to do is buy new replacement AirPods. You can find links to the new AirPods in the video description. Once you receive the replacement pods, simply remove the old AirPods carefully. Clean off debris and attach new AirPods. Tip: the right side is where the power button is located. If you have any questions or suggestions while watching this tutorial video, feel free to post them in the comments below.
Lighten up, take me on your magic river. Tell me all your dreams align. Sign me up and tell me about the people that you know who are trying to feel alive. Life can get hard, so honey, if you need to cry, just come share my pillow and rain, rain, go away. I wanna hear about everything